car isn't bad compared to the other ones, and people can take care of them. But they don't take care of the damn homes over here. Yeah, that one isn't bad. That one's not bad either. They should have taken the good cars and put them together in the junk cars with the junk. It was ready for the junkyard. Those two aren't bad compared to the other crappy ones that nobody took care of them. I don't know what that one is. It's not my favorite car, but I think it's a Cadillac. An old Cadillac. I don't like Cadillacs. Well, at least it's a classic Cadillac. Well, at least the people took care of it compared to these other crappy cars I've seen.